Hello, hi. Are you looking for the best Eamcet classes in online? If you're looking for Eamcet classes, our Model Maths app is the best app for Eamcet Crash Course 2023. That is by me, Nagarajusir. So our app name is Model Maths. You can download in Google Play Store. In the description also, I give the link for to download our app. So why do you have to download our app? Because of very well by you can observe our classes in IPE, and also in the previous video also you can see, you can get all clears, all your doubts you can know. So here our course fee is actually 6,000, but price is 1999 only. Today if you apply the coupon code, that is Holy Dhamaka, you will be paid only 1540 rupees. How much you are paying? This is very less amount. If you go offline, you have to pay more than minimum 10,000, 15,000. Am I right? So comparing with all things, this is the best offer, and it have test. You can know recording classes. You can listen anytime, anywhere, any number of times you can listen. So due to Women's Day today, March 8, till today also this offer is available. Only up to today only it is available. After that you have to pay 1999 rupees. Okay, so after completion of IPA exams, immediately you have to start your Eamcet coaching. So that's why if you book now within 1540 rupees, just 1540 rupees, I think it is very less amount comparing with any online institutions or any offline institutions. So purchase now immediately and be ready with Eamcet coaching. Videos also are making every day one chapter I am covering. Within 30 days I will cover all the topics within 30 days or mostly 40 days. Means today is March 8, by April 8 or April 2nd week our total syllabus will be covered. That I am promising you, because of my students are also listening our Eamcet classes. My own students are listening my Eamcet classes. If I do not leave any chapter or anything, if I do not cover the syllabus, they will ask me definitely. Am I right? So no need to worry about thinking about what is our Model Maths so and so. I am a government employee, government lecturer. So I have many students. For them I am uploading, and for you also it is useful. I hope you definitely get confidence on us. Trust me, and definitely I will justice to you. Thank you. Please upload, kindly download Model Maths and purchase. Thank you. Offer valid only one day. So then after today you never be given this offer. Okay, 1540 the least price. This offer is only one today. So enter the buy option above, click on apply coupon code. In that you enter Holy Dhamaka. After that the price will be showed 1540, then purchase it. If you have any doubts, you can contact me directly 8498984512. And one more thing, who are my purchasers, for them I will create one WhatsApp group. In that also you can discuss with me directly whenever you are having doubt. So that is also only for first few students. That's why who purchased in the beginning, for them I give more priority. Thank you very much.